Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing the table and defining the lookup goal. First, select the exact range you plan to pull values from and lock it with $signs, or give it a name so formulas stay stable. Once done, identify whether you need a single column, a single row, or a two-dimensional result. That determines how you call index. Make sure your lookup key sits outside the indexed range, and write down the row or column logic you expect before building the formula. You now construct the core, put index around the locked range, then supply numeric positions. To calculate positions, use match with mode 0 for exact matches. Match returns the row or column index inside the indexed range. Once you have match for row and match for column, place them as index arguments. If you need approximate matches, change match mode to 1 or -1 and sort accordingly. However, for most lookups you will prefer exact. Make sure ranges aligned to avoid off-by-1 errors. You complete the formula by locking references and adding error handling. Wrap index/match and IFR to return a clear message when the key is absent, and use named ranges or $anchors so inserting rows won't break positions. Once done, test with a few known keys and a non-existing key to confirm behavior. If things go wrong, make sure match uses the correct match type, that the lookup ranges align exactly with the indexed range, and adjust offsets. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.